Tuscaloosa homeowners know all too well how challenging it can be to keep indoor spaces comfortable throughout the year. Summers bring long stretches of hot, humid weather, while winters can dip into chilly nights that make heating systems work harder. In this type of climate, your home's windows play a major role in how much you spend on energy bills. Replacing old, inefficient windows with modern, energy-efficient options can make a big difference for both comfort and your monthly expenses. The problem with older windows: many homes in Tuscaloosa still have outdated single-pane or poorly sealed windows. Over time, window frames can warp, seals can crack, and glass can lose its insulating effectiveness. This allows outside air to seep inside and conditioned air to leak out. The result is a constant battle for your HVAC system, cooling harder in the summer and heating longer in the winter. This inefficiency shows up directly on your utility bill. Drafty or leaky windows can account for 25 to 30% of residential heating and cooling energy use. For families in Tuscaloosa, that percentage can translate to hundreds of extra dollars each year. How new windows save energy? Today's window technology is designed with efficiency in mind. Several features work together to reduce energy waste and help homeowners lower monthly bills. Double or triple pane glass. Multiple layers of glass with insulating gas between panes slow down heat transfer, keeping warm air out in summer and in during winter. Low E coatings. Special coatings reflect infrared and ultraviolet rays without blocking natural light. This reduces unwanted heat gain in summer while helping retain warmth in winter. Improved seals and frames. Modern vinyl, fiberglass, and treated wood frames resist warping and provide tighter seals against air leaks. Argon or krypton gas fills. The invisible gases placed between panes act as insulators, further reducing energy transfer. Together, these advancements allow new windows to act like shields against Tuscaloosa's shifting climate conditions. Benefits in Tuscaloosa's climate. Tuscaloosa residents spend much of the year running air conditioning to beat the humidity and summer heat. With new energy-efficient windows, cool air stays inside longer, meaning the AC doesn't cycle as often. This not only cuts electricity usage but also reduces wear and tear on your HVAC unit. When winter nights bring cooler temperatures, the same windows help retain indoor warmth. Instead of feeling drafts near older windows, families enjoy consistent comfort without cranking up the heater. The balance across both seasons leads to year-round savings. Real-world savings. While exact savings vary depending on the size of the home and the type of windows installed, many Tuscaloosa homeowners report noticeable drops in utility costs after upgrading. National studies suggest energy-efficient windows can reduce heating and cooling costs by 12 to 20%. For households that spend $200 or more monthly on energy, that's a potential savings of $25 to $40 every month, adding up to several $100s each year. Added comfort and value. The benefits of new windows go beyond just lowering bills. Homeowners often notice improved comfort right away. No more hot spots in front of sunny windows or chilly drafts in winter. Reduced UV penetration also helps protect furniture, flooring, and fabrics from fading. On top of that, new windows can increase a home's resale value. Buyers in Tuscaloosa are often drawn to homes with lower energy costs, modern upgrades, and better curb appeal. That means investing in new windows not only saves money now but can also pay off in the future. A smart move for Tuscaloosa homes with rising energy costs and a climate that tests homes year-round. Replacing old windows is one of the smartest improvements Tuscaloosa homeowners can make. The combination of immediate utility savings, greater comfort, and added home value makes it a worthwhile investment. If you've been noticing higher bills, drafty rooms, or windows that look worn and outdated, it may be time to consider an upgrade. New windows are more than just a visual improvement. They're a step toward a more efficient, comfortable, and cost-effective home.